Over here cutting out a pattern for a centerboard on an Alcort Catfish. The Catfish has dual centerboards, kind of unique. One of the first catamaran, or the first catamaran that Alcort put out. Really kind of one of the first catamarans out there. They got into competition with Hobie and chose to wave off. They did some others, Track 14s, a few other catamarans, but their big seller is the Sunfish, so that's what they focused on, stuck with. Cutting out this pattern, we took the centerboard out of the Catfish, laid it on here, drove down some of the important measurements. Now we're cutting out with this little DeWALT cordless jigsaw, 20 volt brushless. It's the latest model. It's got some fun features on it. Little clip here to so you can take your blade in and out. It's got a dust blower and a light to help see what you're cutting. And we'll cut just a little more with it here. And let's see if we can do left-handed. And there's the pattern for the mid to late 1960s Alcort Catfish.